How to fix Amazon Prime error code 5001 and 1061. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you out. So in this article, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So the very first thing you wanna do is to check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet speed is sufficient for streaming. If you are on Wi-Fi, consider moving closer to the router for a stronger signal. The next step is to lower the quality. To avoid buffering, adjust the video quality to a lower settings. You can always switch back once the issue is resolved. Now the next step is to close background apps. Other applications consuming bandwidth might be causing buffering. Close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for your video. The other thing you want to do is clear the browser cache and cookies, and then update your application or the browser. Disable the VPN or proxy if you are connected to it. Then after that, you have to check for server outkeys. Check the Amazon official social media accounts or dedicated outkeys tracking website for any reported server issues. So these are some of the ways in order to fix Amazon Prime error code 5001 and 1061. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.